Sports updates. My name is Mutala Yakubuye and Chensokra Yenko the Accra Sports Stadium and match day 20 of the Bet Power Premier League so between Heart of Folk and Asante Kotoko. First leg of this fixture ended 1-1 at the Barbara Sports Stadium, but the game we never super because it wasn't just a Premier League game. It was also the President's Cup. In Tinero Bedim Kunimubia, when 50,000 Ghana City the Kofi or yeah was saying a trophy at the account. It was Heart of Folk and it didn't couldn't buy a goal to no Yensha no Yemra.
All is set. Aduncha has taken a look at his watch. Now he blows his whistle. That's the commencement of the game. The President's Cup and the 20th week game of the Bet Power Premier League. Here is York for Hearts. He puts one through. It's Abin Jr. Yonde. Good save from Dunlad. York, another brilliant save from Dunlad to deny the Phobians. Now Abin Jr. is up against Sharif Mohammed. It is Abin Jr. Lovely play from Abin Jr. It is Abin Jr. And he squandered the opportunity. Abin Jr. to Utanga. And Utanga loses possession. Lamte goes past Amankwa. Lamte! Into the side net. Morrison goes for goal. Not too far from the target. Morrison played for Accra base Boca Juniors before he got a break in the Premier League for Kim Faisal. Now here is Lamte. Richmond Lamte! Chest over the top is a goal kick. Oh, lovely play from Mukwala. Now Morrison. Lamte. Mukwala! But the flag is up. Mukwala was offside. Al Hassan onto the part of Befi. That's what to find York. Here is Linda Mtange. There was an initial foul on Befi. It was Infege who brought him down. And Lamte came in with a late challenge.
Strong challenge it was from the Kotoko midfielder.
Mtange lines up to deliver. And here he sends one in. It's a header. And it's an opening goal. Kledu Yadom puts the Phobians ahead. The delivery from Linda Mtange was brilliant, and the header from Kledu.
Konedu using his height to advantage. He also realized that Danlad Ibrahim was off his mark, so had to position his header quite very well. There you saw he had eyes on the target, picked his spot very well. The Phobians are up in glory.
A Japan to take the free kick. And a Japan delivers. Onto the woodwork. The header.
The issue is whether the ball did cross the line. Free kick came in, the header was solid, and clearly it did not even get close to the line.
It's over at the Accra Sports Stadium. Station of medals. Asante Kotoko, the losers will take their losers' medals. So His Excellency Mukhtar Sissoko and President Akufo-Addo presents the trophy to Eric Esso, and Esso has lifted it. Hearts of Oak are 6-time champions of the President's Cup. Justin Awako have joined the celebrations. There they go. Ghalca President's Cup champions 2023. The Phobians are the President Cup winners for the year 2023. All hail the Phobians.
Heart of Folk have won back-to-back a year President's Cup. Now after the game, assistant coach of Heart of Folk, David Oklu, on the extra bench, or Kasai, Sasuna Seydou Zebu, coach of Asante Kotoko, so Kasai.
Le but, on a eu deux nombres d'occasions, on n'a pas pu se concrétiser, mais l'adversaire a eu la seule occasion, elle a concrétisé. Donc je pense, je dis bravo à l'adversaire, mais on a montré un très beau visage et on n'a pas eu la chance de scorer.
Yeah, all of us enjoyed the game. Yes, it's very, very competitive, and a team like Hearts of Folk, they also play very well. Kotoko also play very well. We hope to, if we could have taken our chances that we got, like it will be a different story.
Let me congratulate my boys first, because they've done a yeoman's job. Yeah, I told your other colleague that My boys promise they are going to work their ass out and win this game. Okay. And thank God they
I saw
delivered.
you urging them from the touchline for 90 minutes of the game.
Yes.
Is this a sign of what to come in your subsequent matches?
Yes, this is just the beginning. Yeah, like I told you, we are going to work hard because they promised me they are going to work hard. And I know, and I trust them for that.
Of course, NT David Oklu and Dean Kunima had to folk. But then, no Kwani game about, so there were other matches that were played in match day 20 of the Bed Power Premier League. So quickly, and share all the results that came through for match day 20. Dreams FC the Karela game the Korea goalless with Ken Faisal beating Great Olympics 2-0 at the Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. History being made there. Then we had Brichim United also beating Gold Stars by 2-0 with Legon Cities drawing 1-1 with Real Tamale United. Mediama and Sonny Brekum Chelsea game na koye 1-0 in favor of Mediama. In Swataman Echi Kotoko Royals trying to come in mani team back. Samatex beating Ediana surprisingly by 1-0 with Tamale City also losing to Accra Lions at home by 1-0. And Hartfolk beating Kotoko by 1-0. Sorry. Honumenti Yanko a table no so near Nyema Sesa. So after 20 matches in the Bed Power Premier League, Adriana still lead the lot with 36 points. Then Accra Lions are second with 34 points. Bichim United also third with 33 points. Asante Kotoko, after the defeat to Hartfolk, are stuck on fourth with 31 points. Hartfolk, they say almost women at 31 points. Mediama also with 31 points. BBN Gold Stars have 30 points and are 7 on the table with Samatex sitting 8th on 29 points. Brekum Chelsea and so at also 9th with 28 points. That is the top half of the table. The second half of the table looks like this. Dreams FC are 10th on the table with 27 points, and Swataman also 11th with 27 points. RTU with 26 points, they are 12th. Southern Great Olympics as with 26 points and are 13th on the league lock. In Faisal find themselves 14th with 24 points. Legon Cities are 15th with 23 points. Then the last three teams on the Bet Power Premier League table are Karela United, who sit 16th with 23 points. Tamale City are 17th with 20 points, and Kotoko Royals are rock bottom of the Bet Power Premier League, 18th with just 14 points.